Hey loves, my best DHgate haul is here. Everything's linked in my bio. Let's unbox.
I'm back with more gate finds, so let's go through it. Start the haul with my favorite thing, which is a bag. When you guys did this, you're not gonna believe. This bag, it had a sticker. I tried to pull it off and it didn't come off all the way. But you also get a little receipt with a bunch of stuff. Are you kidding me? She's stunning. As you can see, it's like a denim material. And that's the back. Inside, it's actually kind of spacious. You have all this room and you have the tag right there. This is easily a 10 out of 10. Next, we have our second bag. And we have, this is her. She's a little smaller than the other one, but she's still nice. You have the tag right there and this tag right here. Inside of it, it's spacious as well, but I will say my only complaint is that there are stains on the inside stitching of the bag and the tags right there. That's my only issue with the bag, is just the stains, so I'm gonna give her a 7 out of 10. Moving on, we have some cute accessories. First, we have this Dior. The packaging is absolutely destroyed, but like, who cares? What's inside is actually what matters, and is this absolutely beautiful mirror. And this is what it looks like on the inside. But I love her, and this is such a good find. Then we have this keychain. I actually love this keychain. I can't wait to put it on my keys. Next, we have Louis V, and we get a little card in the bag, and then in the dust bag, I haven't opened this actually, so. And look at this. I know exactly what this is. And it's the perfect, you get some brushes in there, but I'm actually planning on using this as a lipstick lip balm case. Then we have another Louis V, and this I believe is like a little makeup pouch. So this is her, and I'm planning to use it inside my purse as well with the red interior. And last but absolutely not least, this is what it looks like. So you have this, you have the straw stopper, and the Stanley. There's also a straw in there, but I love this little cover. It's so cute. But the start of the show, oh my gosh, it's perfect. I love her. I'm actually so freaking happy with this haul. This is amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed with this haul. Everything was perfect. There were no flaws, which we love. And you already know everything's linked in my bio, so go shop.